The video you avoided. Until now, you saw it before, maybe once, maybe a few times. The title caught your attention. Something about it felt real, too real. And for a second, you considered clicking it, but you didn't. You scrolled past, told yourself, I'll watch it later. Or maybe, this isn't for me. But it was, and you knew it. That's why you avoided it. Because it wasn't just another video, it was a mirror. And most people don't like what they see in the mirror. Not when it shows the truth. Not when it reflects who they've become. And more importantly, who they could have been. That's uncomfortable. So you ignored it, like you ignore a lot of things. The habits you know are holding you back. The time you know you're wasting. The effort you know you're avoiding. You don't confront them. You delay them. Push them aside. Pretend they're not that important. But they are, because those small things, they're shaping your life. Right now, not in the future. Not someday. Right now. And every time you ignore them, you're making a choice. A quiet one, but a powerful one. You're choosing to stay the same. And the scary part? It doesn't feel like a big decision. It feels small, harmless. Just one more scroll, one more video, one more delay. But those small choices, they add up, they compound, until one day you realize you're not where you wanted to be, not even close. And it didn't happen overnight. It happened slowly, through everything you ignored. That's why this video matters. Not because it's special, but because it forces you to stop ignoring to stop avoiding, to actually look at your life, at your habits, at your choices, and ask yourself, is this really enough? Not what you tell other people, not what you pretend is okay, but the truth. When you're alone, when it's quiet, when there are no distractions, is this enough? Because if you're honest, you already know the answer. That's why you avoided this, because it forces honesty, and honesty comes with responsibility. Once you admit, this isn't where I want to be, you can't pretend anymore. You can't go back to ignorance. You can't keep lying to yourself. And that's where most people stop. They don't want that responsibility because it means change, and change is uncomfortable. It requires effort, discipline, consistency, things that don't feel good in the moment. But here's the truth. Avoiding discomfort now creates a life you'll hate later. Facing discomfort now creates a life you'll respect later. And every day, you're choosing one of those paths, even when you don't realize it, especially when you don't realize it, because your life isn't built in big moments. It's built in the small ones, the ones no one sees, the ones that feel insignificant, but aren't. Waking up when you said you would, working when you don't feel like it, staying focused when distractions are everywhere. Those moments, that's where your future is decided. Not here, not in this video, but after it, what you do next. That's what matters. Because watching this doesn't change anything. Understanding this doesn't change anything. Even feeling motivated right now doesn't change anything. Action does. And not once, not for a day, but consistently. That's where people fail. They want change. Without consistency, they want results. Without discipline, they want growth. Without discomfort. But that's not how it works. It never has, and it never will. So let's be real. You've had chances before. Moments where you felt ready, where you told yourself, this time I'm serious. You made plans, set goals, felt motivated, but it didn't last, because you relied on feelings, and feelings fade. They always do. That's why discipline matters, because discipline doesn't care how you feel. It shows up anyway. It does the work anyway. It keeps going. When motivation disappears, and that's the difference between people who change and people who stay the same, it's not talent. It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's consistency. Doing what needs to be done, even when it's hard, even when it's boring, even when you don't feel like it. And that's what you've been avoiding. Not the video, but the truth behind it. The truth that you need to change. Not later, not eventually, but now, because the longer you wait, the harder it becomes. Habits get stronger, comfort gets deeper, excuses get easier, and before you know it, years have passed, and nothing has changed. That's how regret is built, not from failure, but from inaction, from knowing what you should do, and not doing it over and over again until it becomes your life. So if you're watching this now, you have a chance, a real one, to do something different. Not everything, not perfectly, but something, because something is better than nothing. And something repeated consistently becomes everything. So don't overthink this. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Start now, small, simple, real. Do the thing you've been avoiding. Take the step you've been delaying. Make the change you've been thinking about. Because that's how it begins. Not with a big decision, but with a small action taken seriously. And if you can do that, if you can just start, you're already ahead of most people. Because most people will ignore this just like they ignored the feeling before. Just like they ignore everything that challenges them. Don't be one of them. Be different. Be intentional. Be someone who acts, because one day you'll look back at this moment and realize this is where you stopped avoiding, or this is where you avoided it again. Make sure it's not the second one.